How are you, Ethan?
Very good.
Congratulations, popular number one.
Thank you so much.
Can you invite them now? Di pa naka-victory lap pa sila, guys. Finish, but victory
Just go there, then just talk.
Yeah, guys, tell them.
Invite us.
Oh, go. There.
Yeah. Invite.
Invite. Okay. No PK?
Ayo!
Hi!
Oh, where be?
Si ano na?
Where did Ben go? There!
There!
Oh, sunglass.
Yay!
Bye lang.
Galing akong, may photoshoot lang ako kanina, kakauwi ko lang.
Okay.
So, hello! Ikaw, bahay ka lang?
Yeah, ako, inantok na nga ako. I wanna sleep.
Yun na nga eh. Me too. After this, probably I'll hibernate.
Hi, Bernie.
Guys, look at this.
Wow. Ba't may ganyan?
So cute.
It's a neck pillow, but in a chicken form. Ano yan? Parang
K-pop Demon Hunters.
Oh, yeah. K-pop Demon Hunters.
Oh yeah, I heard that.
Cute.
Kyopta.
귀여워.
Kyopta.
귀엽고.
Wala na, talo na tayo, Bin. Bin, talo na tayo.
What Tagalog words you know? Ethan knows a lot of Tagalog.
Yeah.
오케이.
Vin.
Let's go.
What Tagalog you know?
What the color, you know?
Yes, what Tagalog you know? Tell
What
us.
the color, you know?
You.
What?
Tagalog.
Tagalog words do you know?
You know Tagalog like that.
Ethan, teach Ben Tagalog.
Kumusta ka?
Wow.
Say, kumusta ka? Hey, say, kumusta ka?
Kumusaka.
Wow.
How to say I love you? How to say I love you?
Mahal kita.
Wow.
Mahal kita.
Say mahal kita, Ben.
Just say,
Ben.
be mahal kita.
마이키타.
Mahal kita.
마하이키타.
Mahal kita.
마하이키타. I know.
Alam mo kay ano sabi niya sa akin?
Ano?
Kanina. Sabi niya na miss niya daw ako. What? You said that, right? Earlier.
Earlier you said that? Bin?
Sorry?
Sorry?
뭐라고?
You said already, just mahal kita.
No, he said he missed me.
Yes.
This is you?
Yeah.
Already mahal kita.
But not mahal
Yes.
kita.
Yes.
Just English or Korean?
English.
English.
네, 테무 English.
Oh my
And then from now, just say mahal kita.
마이키타.
Mahal kita.
마이키타.
You know
No.
there's a song?
Say Cheska ko.
Say Cheska ko.
체스카 코?
Ko mean just my.
마이.
My. So just Cheska ko say. Say.
체스카 코.
And then
And then,
Say 마이키타.
Maikita.
마하이키타.
Mahaikita Jessica Ko.
Oh, yeah. Voice Jessica and then yeah. Just yeah, say go.
Ay, nang gagagawa.
Say go.
Jessica Ko. Maikita.
Uh-huh.
Wow!
Uh-huh. That's right. You perfect.
Thank you.
You get an A+ for Tagalog lesson. Uy, thank you sa mga pa-gifts nyo. Yun na mga MVP natin. Si Rai, si Lena Lynn, si Ling Lacre.
Pepper, thank you. Charlene, thank you. Amaya, thank you.
You guys.
Oh my god.
Kamsamnida.
감사합니다.
Yes.
Oh, it's so cute.
감사합니다.
Tinuruan din siya ni Nana ko mag-Bisaya.
Oo nga pala. Ano sinabi niya sa'yo in Bisaya?
What did you say in Bisaya, Bin, earlier? Can you share, Pikay?
Huh? What's this?
Sabi niya, guwapa ka.
Guapa kayo ka.
Guwapa kaayo ka. Oh.
Jessica, guapa kayo ka.
What?
Whatever you wanted.
So today is very, very beautiful.
He said, you're beautiful in her language, in Bisaya.
Ayan o, talo tayo, Bin, di ba?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Anyway, thank you.
Alam naman natin yun, di ba? Oo.
Thank you,
You know-
Pepper, Charlene, Amaya. Thank you.
You know what I said, Bin? I said we lost
Oh, what? Oh, okay.
the
One
play.
more.
What?
One more, let's go. One more, huh?
Wait. Let's change partner.
Okay.
Paano ba to? Paano ba i-change? Leave? How do you leave?
Rematch. Here. Who do you want to be partnered with?
Us two.
Us two.
Girls against
Oh,
boys.
there.
Oh.
Is that
Girls vs boys.
okay? So I'm gonna move.
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Girls versus boys.
So, everybody, so, family, no tap.
What?
Finger closed, okay?
No. It's okay.
Family, thank you. No gift this match.
Isla for the win.
Not for the win. Let's go. Triple.
Ibin. I think tawag sa kanila Ibin.
Even.
Ibin and Isla.
Let's go.
No gift.
Tapos gusto mo yung naka-glasses. Tapos kayo ni Ethan naka-cap last time. No, but last time you guys were wearing cap.
Me and Ethan are wearing white shirt. Both of us.
White shirt, both of you. Ayaw nga.
White shirt.
Yeah.
Me and Ethan are wearing white shirt.
Yeah. Punishment? No punishment. No punishment.
Panalo nyo kami kung may punishment.
Kaya nga eh. Wala mo nang ano.
No win. That's okay. No tap.
Oh, he wants you to
tap.
win.
No.
Oh, he's so adorable.
Diba?
이단 댄스?
Why? You dance. Why?
2단 댄스.
I just say so many dance time. So many dance.
Yeah, and Ethan sang
Me too.
for me already.
This thing.
우추.
Almost dancing machine.
Me too.
Show off right now.
You show. Yesterday, so Jessica, I dance 우추.
Yeah. Nag-8 siya.
Oh, nakita ko yan.
Tayo'y mag-8.
Oh.
8.
이단 let's go. So everybody, so what roads? Thank you.
Next
Ay,
time I'll teach you Chavacano, Bin, okay?
Everybody, no gift. Thank you. Oh, no gift this match, okay?
여기 또 브르르르.
Dance spin. 아, no dance. Too many dance. 진짜 always dance. 아, no tap tap, no tap tap. 오케이, 오케이.
You can dance always.
You guys are matching. Oh, C2, C1. Same.
Oo nga, no.
Yeah.
아,
Alas.
아, 진짜 리얼.
Alas.
Today is Jessica 빡빡가 아이유가.
Thank you!
진짜,
Daghang
진짜,
salamat.
진짜.
Daghang
진짜로.
salamat kaayo.
아, 진짜 빡빡가 아이유가. 와.
Salamat. Sabi niya pa mag-gym daw kami together.
Go, why not? Nakaturuan ka pa niya.
Gusto mo yung naka-PK kami tas nasa gym?
Oo nga, pwede nga yan. Mag-battle kayo while you're at the gym.
Battle. Do you want PK while at the gym?
아, PK, PK gym?
Yeah, while we're working out.
아, 오케이, 오케이, 오케이. Let's go.
Next time if I'm at the gym.
아, 오케이, 오케이.
Maasar ni Ethan sumama. Ethan,
Huh?
are you happy your best friend in love?
Yeah. That's good.
Tanong niya kanina, sabi niya pa, may jowa ba daw ako?
In real life?
Oo.
You have boyfriend?
Oo. Sabi ko wala eh.
No, she's single. Like me, single. Everyone's single.
Yeah.
Are you single, Bin? You have a girlfriend?
Yes, yes. No. I have to. No. Singer. I'm singer.
Oh,
What
everyone.
you say? Just I have Jessica like this.
Ano daw?
Say again.
Dapat daw isagot niya, no, I have Cheska.
Say again. Say again.
Ang galing ni Ethan.
Huh?
Ethan.
Say again.
뭐.
Are you
Why?
single, Bin?
Yes, I singer.
What you say? No, you say I have Jessica like this.
아, I'm no singer. I'm Jessica.
Wow.
Ay, nako.
Oh, ayan.
Yeah, I lost.
Jessica, you win?
I lost too.
Yeah, we won.
Everybody, Jessica win. Congratulations.
Hey, Russian, I will rest everyone.
Congrats,
And
thank
back
you.
tonight again.
Are you almost home?
배정그래. Almost home.
Almost home.
Ethan is a good teacher.
Are you jogging, Ethan?
No. Just I went to karaoke, so just
Walking home now.
Yeah.
What's TTU?
TikTok Universe.
Yeah, stick to universe.
What you just got your first TikTok universe bin?
Yes.
Wow!
You got?
Congratulations.
Yes. Thank you, Clover.
When?
Thank you.
Today?
Yes, today.
Wow!
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Together. TikTok Universe.
Yay! We're so happy for you.
Thank you, Clover. Thank you, family. So very thank you.
What?
Clover, so family.
Parang ang kulit ng filter na yun, no? Try
Yeah.
Ito.
Thank you.
Oh, same.
That's Ethan's favorite filter.
Yeah, this is mine. Why just follow?
When he PKs with other girls, he wears that filter.
This is mine. Oh.
Oh, so cute.
Yes.
Oh, you.
What else?
Wow, so, kwakpak kayo ka. Sorry.
Wapa kay ka. Yung ana imong filter.
So cute.
It's Mario.
Ooh.
Go. Oh, last and finish, guys.
Whoa.
Oh. Elevator, my baby legging long. Yeah.
Triples, guys. Triples.
Itan.
Inantok ako bigla.
Ako din eh. Triples.
Triples. Tre.
I'm all very hot.
Why are you always
All day,
hot?
all day. All day, all day.
Cheska's
all
too
day.
hot?
Cheska, so PK is very hot. 진짜.
Love trip. No, but for real, I'm really curious. You're always like trying to fan yourself. Like, is it because you're usually sweaty as a person? Are you naturally sweaty as a person?
Wait, please. So my ever so no, yes.
Oh, yeah. You're always sweating.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sweating.
Sweating.
Mm.
It's hot in Korea.
Yes, very.
Not hot today. Ethan said it's not hot today.
Only with Cheska?
Alright, the day. Nag-lag
No.
siya, no? Ethan.
So where is Idan?
He lagged. No internet. Temo internet.
Idan so Temu internet. Idan so Temu.
Temo internet.
Idan Temu.
Ethan Temo. Still lagging.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Alright, girls win.
Yay.
Congratulations.
Nice to it. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys.
See you.
Guys, bye-bye.
Cheska, see you.